Hello again, everybody. It's Scott from RV Rolling with MJ. Just a special announcement, exciting news. So we are headed up to Michigan. Starting tomorrow, we are heading up all throughout the coastal area of Michigan, in the Lower Peninsula and the Upper Peninsula, and then back down. I'm going to spend about 3 to 4 weeks. So looking forward to bringing you videos for the next few months from Michigan. So we expect the weather to be all over the map, from warm to cold to rainy to maybe some snow. So, you know, check out our videos, subscribe, so we can keep these videos coming. We love to do them. Expecting a lot of biking, hiking, boating, water, camping, a little bit of everything. So hope you join us on the journey, and we will see you down the road.